Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to Alan Studio tutorial 127, and today's topic is how to add a breathing node animation in a workflow diagram in ALN Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the next page you will be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you need to select Concept Sketcher, because in ALN Studio to generate a workflow diagram you need to go ahead with Concept Sketcher. Now I have already generated the diagram for my use case, which is online shopping system, that shows the step-by-step process from user interaction to everything else. And this diagram for me got generated in just 15 to 20 seconds. So you can also save your time by using ALN Studio. Now we are talking about the animation, so kindly go to the animation panel and enable the breathing node animation. You can see that all the dashes have become dotted, and then a dot is moving around the edges, showcasing the flow of the diagram. Now if you want to change the size, you can do it from here. If you want to change the color and glow color, you can do it from here. Glow intensity, border width and animation speed can be updated using these three bars. And if you want to change the breathing intensity, you can do it from here. If you want to change the dot size, you can do it from here. So basically, adding a breathing node animation in AI Line Studio help you highlight your key parts and make your workflow diagram more visually engaging. So this is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.